In this lesson, we're going to be improving our workflow a little bit. Currently, what happens is whenever we make a new level, we have to go in and assign a bunch of variables. We have to just drag and drop, say, for the crate pink, we have to go and just drag and drop our player onto our into this slot here, into this slot here to get these variables assigned. And you know what? We can improve that a little bit. I'm going to go into MonoDevelop. I have my end game trigger script open, and what we're going to do is at the start of the level, we're going to assign all these things before we run any of the other code. And we're going to do this. I'm going to make a temporary variable. It's going to be game objects, and it's going to be called player. And so it's only going to be relevant to the start function because that's where we're creating it. So that's going to be its scope. And I'm going to set it equal to game object with a capital G, capital G. So we're getting game object class, and then we're going to say dot, and we're going to find. And we're not just going to find, because what you can do is you can just use find, and you can then find with the name of the object. So I can type in name of object, and if there's an object that has a terrible name of object, then it will find it and assign that object to this. There's multiple ones. I think it just will find the first one it finds and assign that one. But anyway, so we don't want to do that. We want to do find game object with tag. That's the one. Not game object, sorry. Game object with tag. If you do this one, it will return an array of game objects, which is cool. But we want just one, because we should only have one player, and that's the tag we're going to be searching for. So find game object with tag, and our tag is going to be player, just like that. So that will find, the game object in the level with the tag player. Pretty simple, and it will assign it to this variable we made, game object player. And cool. So with that, now what we can do is we can assign player control to equal player.getComponent. And it's going to be platform 2D. That's the type. We gotta say what type of component we're trying to get from this, and then we need to just go ahead and finish the function. There we go. With the parentheses, and there we go. Got that signed. Let's also go ahead and grab the anim, or the animator. Sorry. So anim equals player.getComponent, and we're looking for an animator. And close that out, just like that. Cool, so we got those two assigned. Now, these don't need to be public. They can be private because, we don't need to assign them via the inspector. So let's go ahead and just do that really quick. And we'll save that. And just go over here. You can see that those will disappear. And we can play it now and test that out. So, and you can do this for, all the variables you want to basically take out of your workflow in terms of having to assign every time you make a new level. Looks like that's working. But for now, that's what I'm going to just do, because I think that gets the point across. That's it for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.